Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by entering Edit mode and selecting the edges you intend to connect. This establishes the geometry context. Use Edge Select and Alt+click to grab loops quickly, and switch on X-ray or Limit selection to visible when hidden faces interfere. Once done, check normals and remove doubles with Merge by distance if vertices overlap. This prevents messy connections. You're preparing the mesh, so subsequent bridging operations behave predictably and avoid creating non-manifold geometry. Next, perform the actual connection. With both edge loops selected, invoke Bridge Edge Loops from the Edge menu. You'll see operator options, set segments to control intermediate faces, smooth to blend curvature, and profile to tweak cross-section shape. These parameters change topology behavior, which is why you adjust them now. For isolated gaps, select edges and press F to create faces manually. Make sure to inspect face direction and relax vertices with smooth or proportional editing if the surface looks pinched. Finish by cleaning topology. Recalculate normals and merge nearby vertices to eliminate tiny gaps. Apply modifiers like edge split or shade smooth only after geometry is correct so shading stays predictable. If you encounter twisted faces or non-manifold errors, undo to the last good state and use the knife tool or manual vertex moves to create controlled cuts rather than forcing bridges. One key tip: if bridge produces unexpected faces, invert one loop's direction, select loop, Ctrl+F flip normals, and retry. This fixes many alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.